Hello everyone, how are you guys? Welcome back to my live session, and today is gonna be a special one because you guys know what we are doing today. We are cooking live with Chef Vicky Ratnani, and he's gonna join us in no time. Are you guys excited for this session? Hello everyone. Hope you guys are keeping safe and you're at home, not going out, following all the rules. My sister is also here. Oh wow. Welcome Shivani Satija. Welcome to my session. Hi everyone. So because a lot of people are cooking these days, and I've been watching on Instagram that everybody is cooking, and they are cooking desserts and they're cooking some Chinese cuisine. सबको बहुत मन कर रहा है खाना बनाने का, and everybody is trying their hands in cooking. So I thought, why not we get Vicky himself, and he should teach us if he can. And thankfully he agreed, and he said I'll be live and he'll be cooking with us. So thank you so much, Vicky. We are waiting for you. We are waiting for you, and everybody's saying hello. Thank you. Akshay Dogra, my friend, are you making the khichdi as well? Because I'm all set and I'm all ready with all my ingredients. I want to show you actually all my ingredients. So that's my grains and my millets and everything, with my black rice, my dals and everything. And here are all the ingredients for the khichdi. And these are the ingredients for the salsa, mango salsa, olive mango salsa. And it sounds so yummy. Now we're just waiting for Vicky to come, Chef Vicky to come and teach us. So guys, even if you're not making with us, you can learn with us. You don't have, as I said, you don't have to step out of your house to get the ingredients. So just learn and pen down all the things and everything, and then later you can make it. Akshay, yes, wow, I'm really excited to make this. I love you and Sanaya since Mile Jab Hum Tum. Thank you. Oh my god, Chef, no, not Chef Mohit. I'm just learning. I just felt like eating this khichdi, and I requested Chef Vicky if he can teach us. Vicky Chef is here. He's saying hi, Mohit. Hi, Vicky. Everyone is waiting for you now. Hope we'll see you soon. Sakshi Dogra. Hi. Hi, friend. Is Z also there? My friends are there. Like Jaskaran is also here. Jaskaran, are you making khichdi too? Where is Sanaya? Sanaya just did yoga, and she's just getting ready. Sakshi Talwar. Okay, let me correct. It's not Sakshi. It's Sakshi Dogra also. So let me say Sakshi Dogra Talwar or Sakshi Talwar Dogra or Sakshi Talwar. Missing you, Saku. So, Vicky, are you there? Can I join you, or can you send me the request so that we can start the live? Oh, Vicky said I sent you. Vicky, I can't see your request. One second, let me just scroll down and see if I have got request from Vicky. Vicky, is it possible if you can send me the request again, please? This has always been a challenge for me. I don't do live videos a lot, so always been a challenge for sending a request and accepting a request. Vicky, are you there? Chef Vicky, are you there? So I went to Vicky's page and I saw a lot of videos and the stuff he's doing. He's doing some awesome stuff and awesome cooking he does. And उसमें से मैंने ये cooking already बना लिया है. Let me tell you, Vicky. Are you there? Are you sending me the request? Hello, Vicky. Can we have you? Oh. Thank you, Obroy. You said I was amazing as Samra. Thank you so much. Loved your character. I'm not actually getting requests from. One second, let me see. Who sent me the request? Yes. I hope you got my request. Here he is! Vicky the Chef! Guys, put your hands together for one and only Vicky the
Thank
Chef!
you guys, thank you so much. It's Mohit, finally it's great to be with you. And
Yeah,
so let's have a look at your
I'm so excited.
let's have a look at your ingredients, yeah.
Oh yeah, sure. So here are my ingredients. So all my millets and grains and everything is
Oh,
ready over
nice.
here.
Okay.
It
Okay.
looks better.
Okay.
And these are my ingredients, if you can
Oh
see.
wow.
So my chopped vegetables and
Okay.
all my masalas and onions
Fabulous.
and bay leaves and everything, curry leaf. And these are my ingredients
Oh,
for
the
the
salsa.
mango salsa.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah, that's right. And
Fantastic.
my tomato puree is sitting inside the fridge,
It's
so I
okay.
thought because it's
Okay,
very hot these days.
so let me show you my ingredients now. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you see them? Oh no, sorry, one sec, hold on.
Oh, no. I can see your kitchen though.
Okay, so
Okay, yeah.
now this is what my mix looks like, because I'll tell you what, I used very little moong dal. Okay.
Yeah, so moong dal has become very soft, I
Yeah,
guess. So
so
that's why
I
it's
tell you,
looking like that.
so you can't even see my moong dal. I've got with me here, I've got lobia, okay, chol,
Yeah,
rajma. Then I got this
Yeah.
black rice from Nagaland.
okay.
So I put black rice in here, and I've added
Okay.
some millets as well, proto millets.
So instead of millet, I have put quinoa because
that's
I didn't
fine.
have bajra with me.
That's fine.
So guys, whoever doesn't have any millet, bajra or anything, you can just put anything what you want. Like you can put dal or you can put quinoa, whatever you
Okay.
feel like actually.
So,
That's
and
what I did,
so
yeah.
this is my tomato for the. I'm going to blend it right here. So I've got a little. This machine is great to mix like smoothies, and you can. So this is. I just
Yeah,
put in.
yeah,
It's like a.
I guess it's like a NutriBullet, yeah. The
Yeah,
network is a
no,
little bad.
worries,
Okay.
it's fine.
Yeah,
Okay, so
yeah. So you
yeah,
were
so
saying,
now I'm handing it over, and my.
okay.
अच्छा, उस तरफ करेंगे ना. One sec, guys. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah, no problem, no problem. Take your time.
Okay. पकड़ो.
Guys, be ready with all your ingredients, your dals, your masalas, everything. Hope you guys are ready. So what is that you're doing? What is that?
So this is tomatoes, buddy.
Okay, you are making a puree of tomato.
So I'm just first doing.
मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. Yummy, yummy khichdi.
इधर आ जाओ. Okay, so Mohit, we're going to start cooking. Okay.
Sure. Now we need a
Yeah,
pan.
you got a pan to go.
Okay, one sec. So
are you drinking anything or no?
Sorry?
Drinking? Where's your drink, man?
I'm gonna. I didn't know. You should have told me that we'll be
I
doing
have a
cheers.
coffee now, but I can always
Okay.
make myself a drink.
Oh, please do that. I'll make myself a drink
What
too.
do you want to drink?
We should. Let me get some. Okay, I'll get my drink. Okay, one second.
Okay. Huh? There you go. Ready.
Okay, one second.
So what are you drinking?
I'm just gonna get a pan for myself. And one sec. Here my pan is.
Okay, so
Okay, so
while Mohit is
my
finding his
pan is
pan,
ready.
let me introduce myself. My name is Chef Vicky Ratnani. I'm at Vicky the Chef on Instagram, so you can follow my food porn. So this is my lovely kitchen at home, and today's recipe is basically a nice one pot meal जो बोलते हैं ना वैसे ही है वो. So you can use any kind of dal, any kind of lentils, and while we are calling it a khichdi, I think Mohit we should call it a risotto now. Okay,
Yeah,
let's call
maybe
it a risotto. Why are we calling it a khichdi actually?
a modern version of it.
Yeah, so it is a modern version. In fact, I tell people when people ask me risotto क्या है, I said वो तो Italian खिचड़ी होती है वो. Exactly. So let me know and then we shall start. Yeah, take your time. We are in no rush. Okay.
Yeah, we have a lot of time. Don't worry, guys. Be easy. We want you to have good khichdi, good risotto this today.
Yeah.
Okay, Vicky, I've got my drink. So cheers. Cheers to our cooking
So what are you
session.
drinking? Yeah.
I am actually having. I felt like having gin, so I'm just having
Okay.
gin
So
with water.
I'm having a coffee which I'll drink later. I'm going to grab my drink in 5 minutes.
Okay, no problem. Take your time. So now, okay, what do we do? What do we start with?
Okay. So so you've got the pan, right?
Yes, my pan
Okay,
is
so I'm going
here.
to add a little bit of olive oil into the pan.
Okay, so as he said, olive oil should be, I think, 3
Yeah,
tablespoons.
no, less.
or
Put
I
about
guess.
less. Put about 2.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you put your whole spices. You've got your jeera seeds and your cinnamon.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to dictate to you while I'm cooking. Okay. Okay.
So should I put jeera and bay leaves and curry leaves, everything?
Yeah. So let me start you. Put the cinnamon stick and put the jeera.
Okay, cinnamon stick,
Jeera.
and the jeera.
Then you put the curry patta.
Yes, of course, I can put curry pata.
Yeah. Then you put your throw in your onions now, chopped onions.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay, my onions are there.
Okay.
Here, my onions.
Okay. You got your onions? Yeah.
Yes, I put my onions also.
Okay, so they have to be kind of, you got to saute them till they are kind of lightish brown.
Right.
And then
Okay.
you add your ginger, garlic, and chopped ginger, chopped garlic, and chopped green chilies.
All right. So chopped ginger.
You okay there, buddy?
So I put all my green chilies, ginger, and garlic. I'm putting now. Chopped garlic.
Yeah, and the green chilies, and the chopped green chili.
Yeah, everything.
Okay, all set?
All
Okay,
set.
so let this, just turn it around. Okay,
Yeah.
and now you can add your tomato puree.
Okay, if you guys want to have a look at my pan, here is my pan. So I put everything. So onions, garlic, green chilies, curry leaves, and jeera, everything with
Okay,
oil.
so now
Okay.
now have you added your tomato puree?
Oh, one sec. I'm putting my tomato
Okay.
puree. All right. So here goes my tomato
Yeah,
puree.
superb.
Should I wait for the onions to become little like golden or like pinkish?
Yeah,
Sorry.
little gold, little light brown. You can turn up your stove, turn up your gas a little bit.
Yeah, yeah. My gas is high
Okay.
only right now.
Now add your tomato. Now add your tomato puree, buddy.
Okay, my tomato puree is gone in.
So give it a stir.
Right.
Okay, so let's see the color now.
I'll show you the color
let's
of
go
my.
closer.
This is my.
Nobody. Okay. Correct. Superb. So now add your.
So my tomatoes maybe not. It's not fully red. That's why
so
the color is
don't
not.
worry. Once it will start cooking, now don't worry. Now add your red
Yeah.
chili powder, hing, and haldi.
Okay,
All your
perfect.
three powders, add them in.
Okay, red chili. 1 second. So red chili powder, hing and haldi, right?
Yeah, all your three powders.
Okay, so one question I have, chef, that we are putting. I have put my Kashmiri lal mirch because I had put green chilies
Okay, that's
also.
okay.
So for people who have the एक तो तीखी लाल मिर्च होती है और एक कश्मीरी लाल मिर्च होती है, which one they should use?
Well, I'll tell you, जो कश्मीरी लाल मिर्च होती है वो कलर के लिए होती है, okay? And
Correct.
then you have a degi mirchi or a begdi mirchi, which is a one for spice. Now I am using in my house what I do, I mix half of Kashmiri red chili powder and half.
Right.
I use Rajasthan ka Mathania red chili, Mathania. It's really spicy. Okay.
Okay.
So or you can use any other type. So basically, I use half color and half spice. So it gives me a nice.
So why I asked this question? Yeah, no. Why I asked this question because a lot of people have put a lot of green chilies also.
That's okay.
Where while I was cutting my green chilies, so I thought these green chilies are a lot basically. So that's why I took Kashmiri lal mirch. Not so I didn't make it.
Absolutely fine. My wife likes a little spicy food, and this is going to be our dinner. So okay, so now you can add all your cooked dals inside, like I'm putting here. Look.
Okay, so now I've got a beautiful color in my pan.
Yeah,
so
so now you
you can see the color. So now should I add all the
Yeah,
dals?
you can add all the dals and then add about 2 cups of water.
All right. So here goes all my dal.
Okay, so let's take a look at yours. Okay, great. It's looking good. थोड़ा सा पानी डाल दो. थोड़ा सा.
Yes. I'm putting 2 cups of water.
Stock water, whatever you have.
All right. So I'm going to be putting some water.
Yeah, that's good. If it's loose enough, it's good. Okay, because now you have to.
Yeah. I'm going to see if it's too tight later.
Yeah,
I'll
you
put
can
little
always, you can always thin it down or cook it down. So now,
yeah.
So what you could do now, let it simmer. Okay, turn up the heat a little bit. Let it come to a boil.
Okay. And then put it down.
Let it come to a nice boil, then turn it down.
Okay.
And at this point, you have some mint, right? Mint leaves.
I have got mint
Just
leaves.
throw the mint leaves inside.
Okay.
And then you can add salt as well.
So my mint leaves right here. And then should I put salt?
Yeah, just put the salt and then taste it.
Yeah.
Now the reason why mine is a little more dark in color is because I've used
Yeah.
hardly any moong dal, and I have put a little more rajma in mine. Now the
Okay.
whole idea इसकी है कि जैसे मूड करे वैसे आप अपनी दाल और
Correct.
चावल मिक्स कर सकते हो.
That's right.
That's the
Yeah.
whole idea, buddy.
Right.
So let's So why so your tomatoes were not like right types?
My tomatoes were actually no, they were little color and they were quite fresh.
Yeah, because
So-
at the moment that's what all you're getting now, you know.
Right.
But anyway, it's looking good. Are you happy with it? Are
Sorry?
you happy with it?
I'm very happy with the color. Looks nice and it looks
And
yum,
how's
actually already.
did you check the salt?
I have not checked it. Let me check it. Yeah.
चम्मच दो वहां से टेस्ट करने.
I put little more salt
Yeah.
actually. I don't know. I actually I eat a lot of salt. I put extra salt. in
That's
my
not
food,
good actually.
Which is not right. That's not good. Yeah, that's not good. But I like to have my food salty. Okay.
मेरा गरम मसाला किधर है? कल डाल दिया बिरयानी में हम लोगों ने.
So tell me, what is your favorite cuisine? Vicky?
You know what, buddy? When I'm like, I've been cooking a lot of Sindhi food. Okay.
Yeah.
While I've been in this lockdown.
Yeah.
I'm doing a little brand around Sindhi food, and
Right.
I'm doing my version of Sindhi food. Yeah, you know. And so I've been because see, I travel में दिन में, I mean महीने में about मैं at least I travel for about 10-12 days in a month.
Yeah, I know. I've actually read a lot
Yeah,
about you, and I saw that you travel a
so the
lot.
thing is that now I'm back at home. I'm I'm rethinking my food. Everyone has got a different strategy after this entire lockdown. Also, it's like
Yeah.
I used to work on one of the biggest ocean liners in the world, and I've worked in
Right,
top
right.
Western kitchens all around the world, but
I know,
haven't cooked in my own kitchen from a long time because I'm never there. So I'm really falling in
Yeah.
love with my space. And so, at the
And I
end of the
read
day,
one of your restaurants was awarded for the best restaurant in India, right? In 2015.
yeah, that's right.
That's a European
It
restaurant.
used to be European, yeah. It was called Oris in Juhu.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
So let me see how your thing is looking.
Okay, so my
Oh, it's
khichdi looks
looking
like
good,
this
it's
right
looking
now.
good. Okay, let's bring it to a.
Yeah.
Can you taste it?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So taste it also. And what you could do is just add just a little bit of chopped dhania, fresh dhania.
Yeah, I've got
Just
that.
put a little bit because we need some for the salsa as well.
Oh, it looks yum. It tastes yum,
Oh, good, I'm
actually.
sure. So if you see the balance, so what we'll do, once we get our dish ready together, okay,
Yeah.
after this, okay, now what you could do is you can turn down the heat completely. Okay, and then
Okay.
you can get your ingredients for the salsa and mix it. I'm going to move to my back bench also now. Idhar aa jao.
All right, all right.
Mango nikhal
So
gaya.
one
Yeah.
second. Let me just get everything now for the salsa over here. We can just allow me
Take
one
your
minute,
time, buddy.
okay?
Take your time.
Hope you guys are enjoying with us because I'm having a lot of fun cooking this with Chef Vicky.
बस ये डाल दो अंदर. बस. वो भी है कितना है वो बस ये अभी डाल दो अंदर पहले so you know what I did I had
Yeah.
some mangoes in the house and they were
Okay.
like getting overripe so I actually froze
Okay.
so what I did was so what I did I froze the mango मैंने
Oh.
freezer में डाल दिया so check this out buddy so it's become like a rock
Oh, nice.
okay then it becomes easy to
Okay.
peel it and I cut it
Okay.
into thin strips like this look so it's all
Nice.
frozen
So basically, I have got all my mangoes. One time. So what are we doing for salsa? Are we mixing all the ingredients we
so
have?
I'm going to start hold this I'm going to start cutting my salsa itself well okay यहाँ पे डालो I've got my onions and tomatoes okay going in a bowl
Okay.
so onions tomatoes in the bowl
Right.
and then I'm going to be chopping my coriander some dhania in
Okay.
here
Should we put off the gas of the
yeah you can
khichdi?
pull it off you can pull it off
So guys, you can put off your gas. Okay. And watch him making the salsa. Yeah. So basically, you just have to put all the ingredients together.
yeah
Right?
you have to put all the ingredients together you have some lemon
I've got some lemon as well,
yeah,
right?
me too. And you got your olives
So here is my mango.
you got olives
I've got olives too, right? So I'm putting mangoes and
so onions mango you got onions you got mango
Right.
you got tomato
tomatoes, onion, right?
okay, then you got a little bit of salt in here green chili
Right. Green chilies, and these are my green
yeah
chilies.
and then you have your olives
Right, I've got my olives
so I've
too.
got green olives which are like those stuffed olives you can use any olives
Yeah,
you
mine are
want.
all green chilies. Yeah.
And the only reason I
Right.
made it to olives because olive has a nice salty kind of sour and olives and mango for me go really well together you know
Right,
so
right.
I'm,
No, they sound very interesting. Yeah.
so this is what it is and then I was doing a shoot the other day where I needed some parsley
Okay.
so I bought some parsleys but that's optional but dhania is good enough okay you can put dhania
Right. So people, whoever doesn't have parsley or
it's
something,
just
can.
optional it's just optional okay and then I'm just going to get some lemon
These are my coriander leaves. And you had asked to keep olive oil also for mango salsa.
sorry yes I have yes okay so you know salsa comes from Mexico right
Right, that's right. Yeah.
I'm adding a little bit of lemon juice to this
So how much lemon juice people should put? Like a half tablespoon or some?
yes yeah 1 teaspoon yeah that's good how much I want to see how much salsa show me how much salsa you have
My salsa.
can you just bring it up the bowl yeah so I think 1
Yeah.
teaspoon of lemon is good and 1 teaspoon of olive
One-
oil
All right.
and you can also put a little bit of kali mirchi some black pepper if you have close by
Okay, black pepper.
yeah.
should we add a little salt in this?
Yes,
Salsa?
you need to add
Oh, no.
salt, buddy.
Yeah.
So, you know, the whole idea about this salsa is salsa means a sauce, okay, literally.
Yeah.
And this is a really good, this is really good if you want to eat fresh, crunchy food, you know, rather than using those dips and fatty sauces. These are really good. So if you if you're eating something from the grill or from the tandoor, this makes a really good sauce with that. This and a nice chutney with this on the side is like amazing.
Okay, so yeah, chef. So I wanted to ask you, for people who don't have like mangoes, or they have some other fruit, they can use some
Yes.
other fruit
So
as
what
well,
we'll
right?
do, let's do one thing. We've almost finished our dish now. Okay. Your kitchen, your
Yeah.
risotto is ready, right?
My olive oil is just sitting. So should I mix olive oil too in my
Yes, please do
salsa?
that.
Okay. Right. Okay, I'm all set.
Okay, all set, right? So now,
Yeah.
what we'll do is we're gonna plate this. Okay. We're gonna plate this after we finish plating it. We will taste it together, and then we can answer all the questions if people have. How does that sound?
So we are ready with the cooking,
Yeah.
right? We're
So
done
how's
with the
your
cooking.
khichdi looking? Good.
Sorry, how's my khichdi? So what do I do with the stock, like the vegetable
No, you
stock?
were supposed to add it instead of the water, but it's okay.
Oh, okay,
It's okay, don't worry.
okay. So I missed that. But that's fine. Like, so I put my,
It's absolutely fine. So
yeah, if needed now, if I require, I'll just add some vegetable stock
exactly.
now.
Okay, so are you ready to plate?
I am ready to plate. Yes, one
Okay,
second.
I'm gonna grab a bowl and come back, okay?
Now, chef, please don't judge my plating, okay? Now, because I don't have those many things.
Sorry, what?
I'm saying, please do not judge my
Oh,
plating.
guys, come on, don't worry. Yeah. It's all good in the hood, man.
So, guys, you don't have to worry at all. Just plate whatever you want, okay? Whatever makes you happy. All right, so I've got a wooden plate, which is my favorite plate. It looks really nice. So, because it's ancient khichdi, so I've got.
Sorry, what's that?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, what's that?
Yeah, so what are you plating in?
I'm plating in this wooden plate, which goes with the khichdi.
Oh,
I
that's
felt.
perfect. That sounds really good. Okay, so let's start plating,
Yeah.
and I'm going to show you my plate, okay?
All right.
Uh, okay, so
Did we use the bay leaves?
yes, we are supposed to put bay leaves in the beginning.
Okay. I think
कोई बात नहीं, कल यूज कर लेंगे.
You see, we are making a lot of mistakes. I'm making a lot of mistakes.
That's okay, buddy. Listen, your
Okay.
khichdi looks really good, man.
Yeah,
Your
that's
khichdi
done.
looks really good. So this is where my risotto khichdi is, and that's my nice salsa. It's nice, salty, spicy, sweet, sour. So there's a lot of texture to it. There's a lot of flavor to it.
Right. Okay.
So that's my dish. Oh,
Nice. How beautiful.
so
Oh.
So I'll show it you from the side. This
I'm
is what it looks. So this is how it looks.
oh, lovely.
So I've got a like a tall bowl like this, like you. So
Okay,
what you need to do is plate just a little bit right in the center.
that's what I did. Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm just gonna get some mint leaves.
yeah, sure.
One sec.
Yeah, तनिषा को बुलाओ उसको एक फोटो लेने का. बोलो फोटो. फोटो.
Here am I.
Yeah. That's your dinner, Tanisha.
So here I'm. So here is my dish, and that's
Oh,
how
that's
it
very
looks.
cool, man.
Thank
Look at
you.
this.
Just learn
Wow,
from you.
look at this, man. Oh, man.
Yeah,
How cool is that?
this is really
So,
cool.
no, I think
So,
you should just
are you
put it right
guys?
down there. I'm taking a picture. Put it down there.
Oh yeah, let's do that. One sec. Okay. 1 second. Let me just take this away from this, and now maybe you can take a picture.
Yeah, I'm going to take a. I'm going to grab a. Tanisha, you took it? No, can you take a picture of this also? I got it. Beautiful, man. 1 sec, huh?
You got
Just
it?
one
Can you?
sec, one sec.
Yeah, please send it to me.
I'll send it to you.
We are done.
Oh, fabulous. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay, perfect.
So,
So guys, hope you
gonna
are
move on to-
ready with your
take
picture.
some of these, Tanisha, the salsa, this and this together. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so let's go out of the kitchen. I'm going to just step out.
Okay.
Yeah. So, what do you think of your dish?
I love it. Actually, I'm already in love with this khichdi. I'm waiting to eat this now.
So, I'm sure it's going to go on your menu.
Of course, it's gonna go in my menu, and my sister is also actually watching us because I told her that Chef Vicky will be with us and he'll be cooking live with us, and she said I want to learn it too. So I think maybe she will later use it in our cafe or something.
That's
somewhere.
good, man.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. Thank you so much, Vicky, for coming live and teaching us a dish which looks absolutely beautiful.
yeah. And so, do you want? Are you taking any questions? Should we hang out or should we leave?
So, guys, if you have any questions from Vicky, you want to ask him something, you can ask me. You want to ask me, you can ask me any question while I enjoy my drink too.
Hi, Ocean Nandi. How you doing? Diana says, bravo. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys. You must check out some of my stuff. It's very cool. It's good fun. It's food porn and it's on Vicky the Chef. Okay? So you will enjoy it.
I've already tried one of your dish from your page, Instagram, which is like hummus of the beans,
yes,
right?
yes.
You made a hummus, yeah, with beans. So I tried that. Yesterday only I tried.
Thank you. Thank you so much, man.
Yeah, it was really
Okay,
good. Yeah, it
so
tastes really good.
we'll catch up soon, Mohit. Okay?
Yeah, for sure, Vicky. Thank you so much
anytime,
for.
I'm a phone call away, guys. Any of you want to get in touch at Vicky the Chef? There's a lot of good content, good travel shows. Everyone's saying excellent. It looks yummy. Okay, take care, man. Bye. See you. Bye.
Thank you. Vicky.
Bye.
See you. Say bye-bye. Bye. Thank you. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video and had a lot of fun making this dish. And today is gonna be the ancient khichdi for your family and for you. So I'm really looking forward to eat this. My plate is waiting for me. Look at this, so beautiful. Any questions, guys? You wanna ask something? Piyu says I love you. Thank you so much. Love you too, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, quickly, you want to ask something? I'm waiting for your questions. Hope you guys are keeping safe, not going out, staying at home. Guys, I'll definitely come next time, on Friday, and we'll have a different session that time. So till then, enjoy, uh, have a good weekend, and enjoy yourself and enjoy your khichdi. Love you guys. Take care. Bye bye.